Good morning, everyone. I think you all are doing well. You have understood basic concept of circle. You have started solving simple problems based on it. In the first session, I have discussed with you different forms of circles and simple problems based on it. We gave a few sums where we have used those three formula. Number one is the center diameter form, center radius form, better to say. Second one was the general equation of circle, and the third one was diametric form. To find the equation of circle, we have also seen that we need three conditions. Sometimes two conditions given, but one condition is hidden over there. You can say that diametric form, I need two extremities of circle only. Then you are telling us two conditions only, and then three condition cases arrived. Three condition cases possible when three conditions only given over there, but diametric form only are giving only two extremities of a diameter. The two extremities of diameter will give you the equation of circle. But here one thing is hidden, that if two extremities are given, those extremities are extremities of diameter, no? In no other condition it will be like this. Two extremities are given, and two extremities given means center also you know. So this is the hidden condition. And in general equation x square y square 2gx 2fy plus c equal to 0, we have seen that three unknowns g, f and c, they are to determine the equation of circle. Diameter, radius and center, if both are given, then equation of circle can be obtained very quickly by using the first formula we have learned, that is center radius form x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to r square. All these forms we have discussed, and we have done a few sums from the worksheet I prepared for you. Today we are going to continue solving sums on circle from the worksheet. The problem arises in this manner also. Sometimes they say that show that this line will touch the circle and find the point of contact. You know, if a line touches a circle, then the line is said to be tangent to the circle, and from center to the circle, if you drop a perpendicular on the line, then the point of intersection must be a point on the circumference where the tangent meet. This tangent MT meet at the point M on the circle. From center, if I draw perpendicular, that CM is going to be radius. So length of perpendicular drawn from center to the line is equal to the radius of the circle. This is most important condition over there. So if CM equal to R, the radius of circle, this will touch, the line will touch the circle. So in our present problem, if we are asked to prove the line is tangent to the circle, then we will do the same thing. From center you drop a perpendicular and prove that the length of perpendicular is equal to radius. This C to M, this line is x plus y equal to 5, and center of circle can be found quickly when you compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. 2g going to be equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to minus 4. And c is equal to 3. From here we get g minus 1, f minus 2, and c equal to 3. So we know center of the circle center of the circle, this circle is what then? Minus g minus 8, you all remember. So this is going to be 1 comma 2 and radius going to be equal to g square plus h square minus c. Which part is c? C is equal to 3 here. So this will be under root 2. Radius of the circle is going to be under root 2. And from this center, let us check whether the length of perpendicular equals with this radius or not. Cm, if I go by perpendicular distance formula, C to M distance, as you remember, from a point alpha beta to a line, the length of perpendicular, this line be AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. This length of perpendicular PM equal to A alpha B beta plus C by under root A square plus B square. This you all know. So Cm going to be what? By using this form, here C is minus 5. So what this is given actually, x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So Cm going to be replaced and modulus of it you need to take this because distance cannot be negative. So this is 1 plus 2 minus 5 by under root 1 square plus 1 square. A is 1, B is also 1. So this is minus 2 by root 2. The value is equal to mod of minus 2 is 2 only. This is equal to 2. So what have you got? The radius you calculated earlier root 2 and this part Cm is also root 2. So this ensures that the line is tangent to the circle. But another part is remaining where we need to find the point of contact. To get the point of contact M, we first find the equation of Cm. It is very easy to determine. Slope of this line, if you calculate, it is minus 1, you know, because y equal to minus x plus c. Slope is minus 1. Slope of the line Cm. Slope of Cm is going to be what? It is perpendicular to the tangent. So Cm going to be equal to plus 1. So equation of Cm is given by y minus 2 equal to m x minus x1. That is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Take this one as number 2. So this is your Cm and mt, the tangent equation is given. This is x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is number 1. Now we can add these two equations. So 2x equal to 4, x will be equal to 2. So y going to be what? That is 3. So this point of contact will be equal to 2, 3. Okay. So this way you can find point of contact between a tangent and the circle. Let us think about the next type of problem where three conditions are known, may be given in different form, but three conditions must be given to find the equation of circle. We are going to solve question number 10 here, where circle passing through origin is a condition and making intercepts on coordinate axes A and B, this is another condition. So let us see if when you draw the circle, what form does it take? It passes through origin, this is one condition, and its intercepts on coordinate axes are A and B. So suppose this part is A, this part is B. The circle going to be of this form. where it passes through origin. Length of intercept on x-axis is a, so this part going to be a comma 0, and this part b is going to be 0 comma b. Okay, so equation of circle can be determined, because I told you to find the equation of circle we need three conditions. Those three conditions we can see here, those 3 points 0 0, a 0 and 0 2. So you start with the general equation of circle here, which is x square plus y square. Let the circle be x square y square to gx to fy plus c equal to 0. Since it passes through which point? Let us start with this. Since it passes through 0 0, so you get 0 square to g into 0 to f into 0 plus c equal to 0. Therefore c is equal to 0. Now it passes through the point a comma 0 also. So on this only you put x equal to a and y equal to 0. So 2ga plus 0 plus c equal to 0. So 2ga is minus a square. G will be minus a by 2. So out of 3 unknown, we got 2 unknown from there, g and c. We use the third condition, circle passing through 0 comma b. So b0b is a point on the circle. So 0 square b square 2g into 0 plus c equal to 0. So b square is minus 2bf. So f is going to be equal to minus b by 2. So 3 unknowns were there, g, f and c, and you got the values of 3 unknowns. Substitute there. So required equation of circle going to be x square plus y square minus 2gx minus 2fy. No c is there because c is equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. So when circle passing through 3 points given, we can get the equation by taking the equation in this point. Any 3 point given, through 3 points you can draw only one circle. Okay, so here we got unique circle which is given by x square plus y square plus x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. Let us think about the next one. Find the equation of circle center this and which passes through the intersection of these 2 points. This is a very easy sum. You all can try, because center of circle is 3 minus 2 given. It passes through intersection of these 2 lines. It means by solving the point A can be determined. The point C is already given. It is 3 comma minus 2. So you know center. By finding CA, you can get the radius. Then you can find the equation. Let us go for next one. Number 12. Here, equation of circle concentric with this and which touches y-axis. Last session I showed you condition for touching a circle y-axis. If a circle touches the y-axis, then its x coordinate will be equal to radius. So if it touches y-axis and center C is given by h comma k, then radius will be equal to h, because this length is h, this is h, this part is k and h is radius here. So equation you can write in one line only, x minus h whole square plus y minus k square equal to r square. R is 8. So this will be the required equation of circle. So if a circle touches y-axis, you must use the fact that its radius going to be the x coordinate. So for the present circle given to us, let us find the center and radius first. So this we need to express in standard form. Divide both sides by 3. It will be x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 5 by 3 equal to 0. So 2g is minus 4, 2f is minus 6, g is equal to minus 2 and f is equal to minus 3. Circle concentric with this circle means they have the same center. Radius will differ, so we are not calculating radius. Now in this diagram, the point C we can write. What is the coordinate of C going to be? C is the center, that is minus g minus a. You know, when the circle is in standard form, that general equation if you refer, center is minus g minus a. So this is going to be 2 comma 3. Center is 2 comma 3. Now if center is 2 comma 3, then radius of circle, as I told you, it is the x coordinate. So here this thing implies as it touches the y-axis, radius equal to 2. So equation will be x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 2 square. This is the required equation of circle. Let us see sum number 13. Equation of two diameters of a circle of radius 7 units are given this and this. Find the equation of circle. To solve this kind of problem, you just note that these are two diameters. Why do the diameters of circle intersect? That you must remember. Two diameters of a circle intersect at the center. So this point of intersection is going to be the center. If you solve these two equations simultaneously, by adding you get 3x equal to 9, x is going to be equal to 3, and by putting x equal to 3 you get y equal to minus 2. This is very easy to solve. So center of circle you form. Center is going to be what? 3 comma minus 2. What is the diameter? No. What is the radius? So r is 7. So diameter form will help you to get the equation quickly. It is x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equal to 7 square. So this is the required equation of circle. Number 14. Find the equation of circle concentric with this circle and double its radius. How to tackle this kind of sum? If you have little bit concept of concentric circles, you can manage. For concentric circles, they have the same center. So if a circle concentric with this, then it will share the center of this circle only. What is the center of this circle? On comparison, 2g is 6, 2f is minus 4, so g3 and f minus 2, center going to be minus 3 comma 2. So center is what? Suppose this is the given circle, its center is 3 minus 3 comma 2 and its radius, if you find c, it is going to be equal to 4. So radius is going to be g square plus f square minus c, that is 3. So it has radius 3, it has center minus 3 comma. Your problem is to find the equation of circle whose area is double this area. So this circle has radius RC. This R you need to find. This is circle C1 given one. This is circle C2. You can see the area of this circle, that is pi r square, is twice the area of this circle, pi into c square. So r square is 18, r is root 18, this is c root 2. So radius of the circle is equal to c root 2. Once you get the radius of circle and center, equation of this circle can be determined. It is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to root 18 square. So required equation going to be equal to x square. You just simplify it, you'll get the equation of circle. So this kind of sums where you need to find center, radius, all these things can be determined by using either the general equation of circle or center radius form or diametric. So number 15 will not be a problem for you because 3 points are given. You will be taking circle as x square, y square, 2gx, 2fy plus c equal to 0. You will pass it through these 3 points and then solve for GFC to get the equation. This one also you have just done, it's not a problem, but this one we haven't solved yet. That equation of circle which passes through the points 2, 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 4, center lies on a line given over there. This is the line. X plus y equal to 1, center will lie on it, and these are 2 points. Say 2 minus 2 and B is 3, 4. This is the diagram. So can you use 3-point form here? We can. If we assume the equation of circle as x square, y square, 2gx, 2fy plus c equal to 0, then you can easily do it. Because it will pass through this point one condition, it will pass through this point another condition, and the center will lie on this line another condition. But I'd like to show you the different method. Like point on this line you can take easily. How? On this line, suppose you have taken x coordinate equal to k. When x equal to k, you can see that y is coming to be 1 minus k. So center has coordinate k, 1 minus k. Okay? The center has coordinate k, 1 minus k. Now center to this point distance is equal to center to the point B distance. So if I put CA equal to CB, then CA by distance formula going to be k minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus k plus 2 whole square is equal to CB going to be k minus 3 whole square plus so this thing going to be under root k minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus k whole square equal to under root k minus 3 whole square. This is minus k minus 3, that is k plus 3 whole square. So this thing going to be k square, this plus 9 minus 6k plus k square, or you can do one thing. You can see that k minus 3 whole square is a common factor, so you can eliminate this thing. K minus 2 whole square plus k minus 3 whole square equal to k minus 3 whole square plus k plus 3 whole square. So cancel. So k square minus 4k plus 4, k square plus 6k plus 9. So 10k minus 10k is 5, k equal to minus half. So once you get k equal to minus half, center is what? Minus half comma 3 by 2, and radius from here to any one of the point distance. So radius will be equal to C to A distance. This is going to be 2 plus half whole square plus minus 2 minus 3 by 2 whole square. So this is going to be 25 by 4 plus 4 plus 3, 7, 9 by 4, no, 49 by 4. So this is under root 74 by 2. Center is known, radius is known. Use center radius form to get the equation, that is x minus x1 plus y minus y1 whole square equal to 74. So equation is done. So this way, just condition may be changed a bit, but you have to remember those three forms only on circle to get the equation. Which form is more useful, that you need to decide when you are solving the sum. But one of the form will definitely help you to get the equation. Okay. So 19 similar type, 20 passing through this center lies on similar type. Let us see sum number 21 from the worksheet. In sum number 21, what do you observe? Equation of circle, center is 3 minus 1 and cuts up a chord of length 6 on the line. This is a very good problem. Why I am saying very good? Is it really very good or bad? It may be bad for you if you don't remember any class 9 concept or class 10 concept. From center, if you draw a perpendicular, then it will divide the chord in two parts, two equal parts, and this is enough. Only this information is enough to get the equation of circle. Why? Because center is given 3 comma minus 1, you can see that, and chord of length 6 unit, so this part is 3, this part is also 3. This equation of AB is given 2x minus 5y plus 18 equal to 0. So CM, distance from 3 minus 1 can be determined. CM going to be mod of 6 plus 5 plus 18 by under root 4 plus 25. So this is 29 by under root 29. So answer is root 29. C to M distance is root 29. Now if you get C to M distance and MB equal to 3, then you can easily get the radius by Pythagoras theorem. CM distance equal to root 29 and MB equal to 3, so radius BC going to be equal to CM square, that is 29 plus 9 under root 30. Now use the center radius. What is that? X minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to x square. So easy. Just you have to recognize what is the fact given in the sum and then use any one of the three forms you have learned to get it. Let us see number 22, that equation of circle passing through this radius 3. This is another one where you have to think how to solve the sum. It will not come directly because it passes through a point which is given here, of course. So the point is 7, 3. The radius is 3. and center lies on a line. It means it is going to be the diameter y equal to x minus 1, something like this. So center lies on this diameter. It means again by taking x equal to alpha, center can be taken as alpha comma alpha minus 1. Center is this. Now center to this point distance C to A is equal to 3. What does it mean? You can find C to A. This is under root alpha minus 7 whole square plus alpha minus 1 minus 3 alpha minus 4 whole square equal to 3. By solving this, we can get the value of alpha quickly. So this is alpha square minus 14 alpha plus 49, alpha square minus 8 alpha plus 16 equal to 9. So 2 alpha square, 22 alpha, that is 56 equal to 0. So alpha square minus 11 alpha, so alpha minus 4, alpha minus 7 equal to 0. Alpha is going to be 4 and 7. Once you got alpha 4 and 7, so you are getting two centers. For alpha equal to 4, the center is what? For alpha equal to 4, the center is going to be 4, 3 and radius 3. For alpha 7, center going to be 7, 6 and radius 3. In the first case, the equation is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, and in the second case it will be x minus 7 whole square y minus 6 whole square equal to 6. This we can get equation of both the circles. Thank you for watching this session. You all try to solve the remaining sums. I hope you will be able to do most of it. If you have any problem, you can write to me the problem in this WhatsApp number, that 94331 4642. I'll definitely answer it over there. Thank you.